organs are, the brain, lungs, pair of lungs, and between the two lungs heart is there, and below the liver, one pair of kidneys is there. This is the left kidney, right kidney, this is the left lung and right lung, between the lungs is the heart. Location of the heart is this is the heart, brain, nervous system, in pulmonary respiratory, the pulmonary respiration, pulmonary vein, pulmonary vein, oxygenated blood, deoxygenated blood. Red color is oxygenated blood, blue color is the deoxygenated blood, heart to the heart to carry the oxygenated blood. This is the aorta, biggest artery is the aorta. This is the aorta, biggest, round, thick color కనిపిస్తుంది కదా అదన్నమాట. ఓకేనా? చూడు సార్, రెడ్ కలర్ is oxygenated blood, blue color is deoxygenated blood. ఓకేనా? All arteries carry the oxygenated blood. ఓకేనా? All veins is the bring the deoxygenated blood, body parts to the heart. ఓకేనా? All veins are bring the body parts to heart, deoxygenated blood. All arteries are carry the oxygenated blood, heart to the body part. This is the red color, oxygenated blood, oxyhemoglobin, blood containing oxyhemoglobin. Okay, this is the blue color, deoxygenated blood. Okay, this is the circulatory system of human beings.